Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp, and we're going to learn how to override styles in Subsequent CSS. So we talked before that there can be conflict of you can change the color text on your web page in the body and in the class. But let's say we have two classes, and we can add multiple class for each element. And let's say we have two classes changing the colors of the text. So which one will take place? So that is what this exercise is going to tackle. And we want to do this, we want to enter in the blue text class. And we want to make sure it's below the pink text one. So here's the pink text one. And now I create the blue text one. So dot blue text color blue. And then we're going to notice, and then I have to apply this. So, and when you add this to a class, when you have multiple classes, we can just use the same one inside the parentheses, quotations. You just add the second one right afterwards, and it's going to understand it. So now we see that is a blue text now. So we see that these two both identify the song class, but it's saying, but the second declaration will always take precedent over the first one. So this is declared first and this is declared second, so this one will rule. It also notes that it doesn't matter where in the HTML the classes are listed in. So if we put this blue text in before the pink text, it's still going to be blue. And that's it. Thank you.